If your family is struggling to access dental care, Public Health has some options for you. Dr. Matthew Tenenbaum is the Associate Medical Officer of Health in Wellington Dufferin Guelph and joins us to talk more about this. Dr. Tenenbaum, thanks for your time as always.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
Of course. One thing we all know is that dental care can certainly be expensive. Can you tell us some of the options Public Health offers for people who maybe aren't able to afford it?
Absolutely. So dental care and generally oral health care is something that's really underappreciated, I think. People think about it as just the health you have in your mouth, but not having appropriate dental care can lead to a lot of diseases and conditions that affect all parts of your body and can be a significant reason that your quality of life is not what it could be. It is not something that is kind of an optional part of health. It really is core to health for people throughout our society. And in Public Health, we have a number of programs that we either offer or connect people with, recognizing how important dental care is. So we have received in the past funding from the province to offer basically programming towards young kids called Healthy Smiles Ontario, as well as more recently we've had the Ontario Seniors Dental Care Program being something we can offer, kind of targeting young people and old people in our community. We now most recently have a federal program, the Canadian Dental Care Program, which we are integrating into our operations, which is actually going to have a broader set of eligibility criteria, so hopefully more people in our community who don't have existing dental care coverage can get it.
Okay, we're going to talk about some of those programs. Let's start with the seniors and what's offered for them. You offer preventative and restorative services for oral health for seniors. Can you tell us more about it?
Sure. So people who meet certain eligibility criteria based upon their their income and other elements of their well-being, they can apply either with the Canadian Dental Care Program or the Ontario Seniors Dental Care Program. We do offer clinics, both preventative dental care and restorative dental care in our offices. Recognizing that we do have this new federal program, we're also seeing that more services are available and attainable for people who are low income in the community from other providers. We are looking at how we can best integrate that with what we're doing in our clinics.
And let's talk about for kids as well, because Public Health actually offers in-school cleanings and clinics. Talk about those and maybe tell us how often you're putting them on as well.
Sure. So we offer clinical services in our offices for young people through this Healthy Smiles Ontario program. You know, obviously, the earlier in life you have your dental needs taken care of, the better a trajectory you're going to be on for the rest of your life, and the lower your risk is going to be of developing some of the conditions that poor oral health can cause. So we do offer clinics for those who meet eligibility, but we also do go into schools, and we do annually basically dental screenings of particular age groups in our schools, just so that we have a sense of how our students are doing and what the state is of oral health in our community. As well, we do offer fluoride varnish to certain students who are eligible based upon their risk, because that can be an evidence-based way to prevent cavities and other oral health problems. So we do try and not just wait for people to come to us in our clinics, but go out into schools where we can actually connect with students annually.
Now, is there any option through Public Health for someone experiencing pain who might need emergency dental care?
So the bottom line is, if you are in pain and you don't have existing dental care coverage, give us a call. We can work with you to figure out, first off, what the underlying issue is behind your pain, but also how you fit into the eligibility criteria for the various dental programs that we're involved with. We will either try and bring you into our clinics or figure out a better place for you to access care in the community. We don't want anyone who's experiencing that to feel like they have nowhere to go. You can always contact us.
And how can people find out more about the services they can receive through Public Health and also find out if they're eligible to receive those services?
So the easiest way is to go to our website, wdgpublichealth.ca/smile, where we have a whole bunch of information about all of our oral health services. I'll also mention you can give us a call at 1-800-265-7293. That's our dental line, and you can get more information about our programs and your eligibility through that line. Finally, I would like to mention that if you're interested in engaging with us about your dental needs, we are currently running a dental needs survey that's about 10 minutes long, and it's something you can access through wdgpublichealth.ca/dental survey. And if you participate, you can be entered into a draw to win one of 5 $100 grocery gift cards.
Okay, fantastic, because this is great information. I think maybe a lot of people don't know about that you can get these oral services through Public Health. So thanks for that, Dr. Tenenbaum. Dr. Matthew Tenenbaum is the Associate Medical Officer of Health in Wellington Dufferin Guelph. Appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.